Hi Achievers, welcome to A+ Russian. Today we are reviewing the verb to eat or есть. Ready for the review? Let's go! As you already know, in Russian we change the form of the verb depending on the subject. Я ем is I'm eating, ты ешь is you are eating, он ест is he is eating, она ест is she is eating, мы едим is we are eating, вы едите is you are eating. Keep in mind when we say we are talking about several people. Они едят is they are eating. Let's conjugate the verb есть with рис, which is Russian for rice. We are going to fill in the gaps. Я ем рис. Ты ешь рис. Он ест рис. Она also ест рис. Мы едим рис. Вы едите рис. Они едят рис. Now let's translate from English into Russian. We'll conjugate the verb есть with огурец, which is Russian for a cucumber. Do you know how to say I'm eating a cucumber? Я ем огурец. What about you're eating a cucumber? Ты ешь огурец. How would you say he's eating a cucumber? Он ест огурец. Excellent. What about she's eating a cucumber? Она ест огурец. We are eating a cucumber. Мы едим огурец. What about you're eating a cucumber? Вы едите огурец. And they are eating a cucumber. Они едят огурец. Well done. Let's conjugate the verb есть with помидор, which is Russian for tomato. We'll finish the sentences together. Я ем помидор. Ты ешь помидор. Он ест помидор. What about она? Ест помидор. Мы едим помидор. Excellent. Вы едите помидор. Они едят помидор. Let's conjugate the verb есть one last time with банан, which is Russian for banana. Я ем банан. Ты ешь банан. Он ест банан. Она ест банан. Мы едим банан. Вы едите банан. Они едят банан. If you need to review the conjugation of the verb есть in more detail, click on the playlist above.